Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Salam to you, my dear brothers and sisters. I hope inshallah all is well. قال الله تعالى في كتابه الكريم ولقد بعثنا في كل أمة رسولا أن اعبدوا الله واجتنبوا الطاغوت فمنهم من هدى الله ومنهم من حقت عليه الضلالة فسيروا في الأرض فانظروا كيف كان عاقبة المكذبين. And certainly we raised in every nation a messenger saying, serve Allah and shun the Satan. So there were some of them whom Allah guided, and among them were some who deserved to be in error. Therefore travel in the land, then see what was the end of the rejectors. When the Prophet wanted to introduce people to religion, the first words they heard from him were monotheism. La ilaha illallah, meaning there is no God but Allah. Not only the last prophet, but all divine prophets from the very beginning of their mission call out to the incomparable Lord. They do not go to the margins. They do not beat around the bush while encountering the reality. They go straight to the point. Ayatollah Khamenei, our leader, also refers to this issue in the book An Outline of Islamic Thought in the Quran, and says the work that the great divine prophets want to do, that is creating a government and society and a monotheistic system and overthrowing the ignorant and polytheistic system and creating a huge revival in the context of society. Where do they start these things which are the goals of the prophets, peace be upon them all? The great divine prophets, the starting point of their work was to express the basis and the spirit of their school of thought. At the beginning of the revolution and at the social and ideological revival, the prophets were honest and frank with the people. It has not been the case that they misled the people for a while with other words, with other slogans, and after they found some success, then they shared the main slogan. No, at all. It's not like that. From the beginning, they expressed their real and ultimate goal honestly and truthfully. And what was it? That goal was nothing but monotheism. It is the same today. To reach a monotheistic society, we must accept all monotheism with awareness. When we accept this monotheism, we must know that the monotheistic society has friends and also has enemies. And its enemies are the tyrants and arrogant people of the world. We must know that this is a difficult path. It requires perseverance. It takes effort. I hope that God will keep us steadfast on the path of monotheism in this blessed month and always. All the best to you. Bye.